Hey everyone, this is Jesse from VMP Performance. Today we're going to be putting this drive shaft loop in this blue S550 right behind me. The customer went with a Steeda drive shaft loop. We like these loops because they are a bolt-in option. Anytime you can bolt it in is a little better. That way you don't have to drill through the floor, pull the interior, modify the car in any way. This bolts right in, works pretty good. This provides an extra layer of safety for your one-piece drive shaft. They're spinning pretty fast. You don't want any welds to break. You don't want the drive shaft going through the floor, anything bad happening. So we're going to be installing this drive shaft loop as well as a one-piece aluminum drive shaft from the drive shaft shop. Let's hop under this car and get started. Our first step is going to be removing some of these exhaust components. That way it gives us clearance to get to the drive shaft and remove it without fighting it too hard. Now we can remove the drive shaft. Since we're installing the drive shaft shop one-piece aluminum drive shaft, we had to remove the stock drive shaft to install it. Normally, if you're just installing a drive shaft loop on your stock setup or you've already installed a drive shaft, you do not have to remove it to install the drive shaft loop. Our drive shaft shop drive shaft comes with new adapters for each end of the drive shaft. We're going to install these first and make sure you use a little bit of Loctite, that way the bolts don't loosen up on you. Now we're ready to install our Steeda drive shaft loop. There are provided instructions with the loop. It's a pretty simple process. Make sure when you are done installing that you have clearance at your shifter and for your drive shaft. Then we can reinstall the exhaust and take it for a drive. Alright, that was a drive shaft loop and drive shaft install. If you guys are interested in the same thing for your car, go ahead and call sales and support. If you're interested in seeing more cool stuff going on at VMP, keep an eye on our social media. Like, share, and subscribe. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, all the good stuff.